I haven't had great luck with Lamborghinis, but I've had really good luck with Mercedes. It's the same motor that's in the Pagani.
So of course it's fast.
So before we get to that, let's get paid. Today's video is sponsored by Ridge Wallets. The Ridge is a minimal front pocket wallet that's designed to streamline what you carry every day. It has 30,000 5-star reviews and it's a better way to carry your cash and cards. There's a lifetime warranty if you love it and free returns if you don't. There are over 30 different colors and styles to choose from, including a carbon fiber one and a burnt titanium one as well. It's designed to go in your front or your back pocket. So one of the amazing things about this wallet is they claim it holds like 12 cards. I want to show you how we pack this thing full, and it still has room to get more cards in and holds cash. This is an amazing wallet. Check it out. Get 10% off today with free worldwide shipping and returns by going to ridge.com/savage. That's ridge.com/savage and use code SAVAGE. Link is in the description below. So don't waste any more time. Get your cool Ridge wallet today. Check out the link in description below and get Savage Ridge.
What are we doing here, man?
So, I haven't had great luck with Lamborghinis, but I've had really good luck with Mercedes. And inside the garage, at least we think, there might be what will be my next Mercedes, which is an S65 AMG. Some of you guys right now are going, wait a minute, so blow motor in your Mercy, and now you're gonna buy a car that is equivalent to the value of buying another motor for the car. Well, I need a car for Gold Rush, and I think this would be a really good car. Like, this would be a good contender. I think it would fit in well with the other gang of cars we have. Plus, it's the same motor that's in the Pagani, which is kind of cool. So, this is an extremely clean car. I'm waiting for the owner to come out now, but hopefully we go home with this today. Oh, well, that's looking good. How you doing?
Oh, she sounds beautiful.
Oh yeah. How you doing? Dude, the paint on this is so pretty. It doesn't have the heated and cooled seats in the back. We gotta walk.
Oh, we gotta walk. We gotta go back.
You're good.
Jimbo, it's got one package missing, the Distronic and rear seats.
Yeah, that's what I was just looking back here.
Package.
Oh, the seats are so comfortable in this thing. God, that's awesome.
Even the driver's seat has just a little crease, not even any rips or tears.
No, this thing, dude, this thing is incredible.
Car, it's in good shape.
Oh yeah. No, this is awesome. The little wood on the handrest here, that's a nice touch.
Only the 665 did that.
Yep. Yeah, the 600 and the 65's my 97, same thing, like it's all leather wrapped, you know?
Yeah.
That was one of the first things I noticed. I was like, that's nice. Wow. And this is always such a cool thing, the engine start on here. This is the one thing I wish my car had. The sunshades.
Oh, the shades.
No. My Grand Edition had it.
That's interesting. What year was your Grand Edition?
99, it's only 1 year.
90?
The 99, the final year.
I guess mine didn't have that option. Or like a 97. But
the final year 99 mine had the shades. It was just pull them up.
I did.
First spin, drive it.
Okay. You want to come along?
Yeah.
Never need it. Is it
Dude,
starting
I kept watching last night.
First game.
Okay.
I kept watching Pagani videos, and it's amazing how they sound so like these two.
Oh yeah.
The start, the exhaust. I mean, that has a little bit.
It's
of
obviously
louder.
it's a little different, but
it's the same mode,
same exact sound.
It's the brother car.
Exactly.
It's insane, bro.
So like, well, what I'm interested to see is, so I have.
Keep moving me. What do you want to massage my balls, bro? We can write. he's got the switch because he wants to recline probably.
Yeah.
He's moving me forward. I'm gonna eat the dashboard.
Wait, he can move you forward from back there?
Because he's got the recliner seats.
That's awesome.
He can push me out of the way.
Oh,
I'll just get
nice.
the fuck out.
Alright, so here we go. Let's do from 20 on. Oh, good God.
It's spinning at 50 miles an hour. It's just got more, 90. Chill out. Oh, it's just scary, bro. This car really moves.
Is that a micro moment for you?
I had 255s and they were fast.
Yeah.
This just has a better the acceleration to some point.
Good God. Jeez.
Chill out.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna fucking,
So smooth.
yeah, make a right on this block.
Yeah.
Get off this road before I go to jail.
It's funny because I can hear that little like the same. So riding in the Pagani, like it's much louder in that car. So like that V12 twin turbo, that grunt, I can hear it. It's you know like a tenth of the same louds, but it's the same tone. It's the same pitch.
Correct.
So, got it.
Pleasure, bro. Nice to meet you.
Absolutely.
Keep up the good work. The videos are hot. Savage Garage rocks,
Appreciate
bro.
that. So just so they can follow you, where do they need to go to follow you?
Just come to my brother's house right here.
No, I mean like your company name. Yeah,
Oh,
Instagram.
I'll write it all down. Euro Auto Sales. It's in Brooklyn. It's a mechanic shop / used car dealer.
Okay, perfect.
And then
Euro Auto
good shout out. That'd be great.
Absolutely, man. Let's go.
It do be looking clean though. Oh my god. He's gonna act a fool in that thing.
Dude, this thing is so fast.
Dude, you
So fast.
you tore away from us.
And the thing is so quiet, I can't hear it.
He's gonna act a fool in this thing. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, Jimbo.
Oh yes.
So driving this car, it's so quiet, so much more quiet than my S600. Like the engine noise, you don't hear anything. But what's interesting is when you're listening to, like, you can hear the V12 in my car, like here and there.
Yeah.
But you mostly just hear the whistle from the air intake sound and everything. I love when you're driving this, like just every now and then you can hear like Pagani noises, which are really, you know, like they're Mercedes noises, but you know, I'm thinking about the Huayra. But like just every now and then you hear that like that V12 twin turbo grunt going around a corner, like going from a stop, like that right there. That is so subtle.
But it sounds just like it.
You know, but like when you give it gas, just like that
Yes,
sounds like
that,
the Pagani.
Yes, 100%. 100%.
So the plan right now, I'm thinking, is I'm gonna try. I have a couple of my buddies I'm waiting for a response from that are they work at dealerships, but I'm trying to get someone to squeeze me in later today. I'm trying to straight pipe this car tonight. It's just so cool, man. Like I've wanted one of these cars for a long time, and for all the reasons that people don't buy these cars, I didn't buy the car. And I like my reliable 90s S600 too much. I wouldn't trade. I would have to have both. I would never trade one for the other because they're two completely different cars. This drives much more like a sports car than a luxury car. The S600 is completely a luxury car, and when you go fast in it, it feels like you're going fast in a luxury boat.
Yeah.
This actually feels like
Made to do it.
Yeah, to a degree. Like, I mean, it feels like a fast 4-door saloon car, and you know, it drives like a sports car, ish.
Ish.
As much as a 4,800-pound boat can drive like a sports car, it drives like a sports car.
Exactly. I made sure to have some little Jimbo hair I threw in the foundation when we did the pour.
Oh, there we go.
Just so you're part of the property somehow.
Oh, thank you.
So let me see your new car. I want to see that.
Yeah. Well, you know that I don't know if I ever told you, but the S65, when we went and filmed that guy's S65 that he bought for like $3,700, that was the car that started my Mercedes-Benz craze.
Okay.
Like,
I remember that. Yeah,
that's
yeah.
You know, like that's what turned me on to them. So like it was always like a bucket list thing for me. I wanted to get one of these
Look
things.
at this, like a Mercedes commercial out here.
Yeah. But this thing's clean as hell. One owner, 100,000 miles, coil's done, ABC pump is
But
new.
you're like a glutton for punishment. Everything you buy, it's not the cost of buying it, it's the cost of fixing it.
Yes.
Nightmare.
I really like unreliable cars.
Yeah, no.
But they only made like apparently 50 of these in this color. But
Oh, really?
I like them.
Is that,
That's normal. As normal as you can get. The guy who bought it, apparently,
old white guy?
not old white guy, young white guy.
Oh, interesting. If there's anything you need out of my car, it's all yours.
I got you.
It's
How's that
really
E-Class
nice though.
running?
It's still running. First hiccup was like last week. Where
Okay.
It shit the bed on me on the way home, and like oh, overheating, this, that, but nothing was wrong with it. Just like
Electrical
something
thing?
electrical. So then I drove it back to my shop, turned it off, wouldn't turn back on. So I was like, all right. Next day I got there, I'm like, ah, look, it's not gonna start. Fired right up, been driving it ever since.
There you go.
So one day it will strand me. That's why I have
Yes.
AAA. This is nice, very clean car.
So fucking
Of course it's fast.
like, I mean, I don't know why I didn't expect it to
So,
be that fast, but
Just so you know, we raced this
against the
and
Murcielago.
Murcielago. Now you have both.
Yeah, it's just one of them doesn't run right
Well, this
now.
is gonna win.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. No, I mean, I'll have to recreate that race.
Yeah.
But yeah, you were.
Yeah, we
four
have to
wide.
make your. Oh yeah, I guess your Murcielago probably has a similar exhaust.
Yeah, it's straight pipe. Whatever.
Nice.
Cool. This needs to be straight pipe, like absolutely immediately.
What size tank does this thing have?
I have 26.4 gallons. Like 100 liters. It's probably the same as my Mercedes.
All right, so we'll drive back down to Maryland and come back and pick you up when it's ready?
Yeah.
Okay.